This is the Compound Words PowerPoint. First, we're going to name each drawing and write down the names. For the first drawings, we have a basket and a ball. Next, we have tooth and paste. Now we have bed and room. Now we're going to read the following words. Basket plus ball equals basketball. Tooth plus paste equals toothpaste. Bed plus room equals bedroom. What happens when we put together two words? Two small words can be put together to form a new word. This new word is called a compound word. The new word has an entirely different meaning. Study the words. What words make up each word? Storehouse equals store plus house. Backyard equals back plus yard. Rice cake equals rice plus cake. Every day equals every plus day. When you put the two words together, do they form a new word with different meaning? Fire, which is a flame. Fly, an insect. Firefly, an insect which carries light with it. Book, reading material. Store, place where you can buy. Bookstore, a store that sells books. Form a compound word by putting together the names of the pictures. Ball and pen equals ball pen. Wheel plus chair equals wheelchair. Table plus cloth equals tablecloth. Arm plus chair equals armchair. Butter plus fly equals butterfly. What is a compound word? A compound word is made up of two words put together to form a new word with different meaning. Match the words in column A with those in column B to form compound words. Then complete the sentences using the formed words. The first word in column A is bed. Is it bed coat, bedroom, bedmate, bedman, or bedfast? It is bedroom. The second word in column A is rain. Is it raincoat, rain room, rainmate, rain man, or rain fast? It is raincoat. The third word is break. Is it break coat, break room, break mate, break man, or break fast? It is breakfast. The fourth word is class. Is it class coat, classroom, classmate, classman, or class fast? It is classmate. The fifth word is mail. Is it mail coat, mail room, mail mate, mailman, or mail fast? It is mailman. So the first sentence we have is, it is a healthful habit to eat blank every morning. Breakfast. I stay in my blank when I'm sick. Bedroom. My blank visit me when I was sick. Classmates. I use a blank during rainy days. Raincoat. The blank delivers letters. Mailman. Read the following sentences carefully. Choose the compound words in each sentence. She was reared by her grandmother. The compound word is grandmother. Grand plus mother. Arnold was in my class when he complained of headaches. The compound word is headache. Head plus ache. The plants at the backyard are starting to have flowers. The compound word is backyard. Back plus yard. The policeman heard the shouts of the drowning boy. The compound word is policeman. Police plus man. Marie likes to eat cheesecakes. The compound word is cheesecakes. Cheese plus cakes. Now for the assignment. Make the following words on the right column compound by referring to the clues given on the left column. The first word is ice, and the clue is cold, soft, and delicious. This is ice cream. The second word is air, and the clue is air transportation. This is airplane. The third word is 20, and it comes before 24. This is 23. The fourth word is house or is tree, and the clue is house constructed on a tree. Tree house. The fifth word is sun, and the clue is plants and animals needed. Sunshine.